It's that time of year when the temperature drops, and we all need to stay warm during the cold winter months. But staying warm doesn't have to mean breaking the bank on heating bills. In today's video, we're sharing 20 budget-friendly heating tips that will help you keep your home cozy and comfortable without blowing your budget. Seal leaks and drafts. Start by conducting a thorough inspection of your home for gaps and drafts. Check around doors and windows and use weather stripping, caulk, or draft stoppers to seal any leaks. Preventing cold air from entering and warm air from escaping is the first step to efficient heating. Tip 2's door draft stoppers. Invest in door draft stoppers, or make your own by filling fabric tubes with rice or beans. Place them at the bottom of doors to block cold drafts. To maximize natural sunlight. During daylight hours, open curtains and blinds to allow natural sunlight to enter your home. Sunlight can naturally warm up your living spaces, reducing the need for artificial heating. Close curtains at night to insulate against the cold. See reverse ceiling fans. Ceiling fans have a reverse setting that pushes warm air downward. In winter, run your fans clockwise on a low setting to help distribute heated air more evenly throughout the room. Layer up. Dressing warmly indoors is an effective way to reduce the need for higher heating. Layering up with sweaters, cozy socks, and blankets can keep you comfortably warm without turning up the thermostat. Use space heaters wisely. Consider using energy-efficient space heaters in frequently occupied rooms. This allows you to target heating where it's needed most. Remember to turn off space heaters when you leave the room to avoid energy waste. Program your thermostat. Invest in a programmable thermostat if you don't already have one. Program it to lower the temperature when you're not at home or when you're asleep. Every degree you lower the heat can result in significant energy savings over time. Heat rooms strategically. Focus your heating efforts on the rooms you use most frequently. Instead of trying to heat the entire house, concentrate on keeping the areas you're in warm and comfortable. Make use of rugs. If you have hardwood or tile floors, place rugs strategically in rooms to add insulation and warmth. Rugs prevent heat from escaping through the floors. Bake and cook. Cooking and baking not only provide delicious meals, but also generate heat. Take advantage of your oven during the colder months. Roasting vegetables, baking bread, or simmering soups not only warms your kitchen, but also your home. Insulate your home. Proper insulation is essential for maintaining a warm and energy-efficient home. Insulate walls, attics, and crawl spaces to ensure your heating efforts stay inside. Tip 12's unused vents. Close the vents in rooms that are rarely used to redirect warm air to where it's needed most. This can help balance the distribution of heat. Maintain heating systems. Regular maintenance of your heating system is crucial. Change or clean filters as needed and schedule professional inspections to ensure your heating system runs efficiently. Humidifiers. Adding moisture to the air with humidifiers can make it feel warmer and more comfortable. Dry air can make a room feel cooler, so maintaining proper humidity levels can help you feel cozy at a lower temperature. Keep radiators clear. If you have radiators, make sure they are unobstructed. Clear space around radiators allows heat to circulate freely, ensuring optimal warmth. Set lower nighttime temperatures. Lowering your thermostat a few degrees while you sleep can lead to substantial energy savings. Use extra blankets and warm pajamas to stay comfortable during the night. DI window insulation. For extra window insulation, consider using clear plastic film or bubble wrap. These inexpensive solutions can provide an additional barrier against cold drafts. Utilize drafty windows. If you have drafty windows that can't be sealed immediately, hang heavy curtains or thermal blinds. These provide an extra layer of insulation and help keep the cold out. Close off unused rooms. Seal off rooms that you rarely use during the winter months. By closing doors and vents to these areas, you can concentrate your heating efforts where they're most needed. By incorporating these 20 budget-friendly heating tips into your winter routine, you can enjoy a warm and cozy home while keeping your energy bills in check. Remember, staying warm doesn't have to be expensive, and with a little planning and creativity, you can make the most of your heating while saving money.